Hello everyone, Steve here from VinylDecals.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a vinyl decal using a hinge method. First step is to clean the surface. Next we place our decal into position. We take a piece of masking tape and place it across the top of the decal. This is called a horizontal hinge. Fold the decal on the hinge and carefully remove the backing paper. Grab your squeegee and squeegee the decal using firm pressure. Now we want to remove the transfer paper. Pick a corner. I usually start at the upper right and slowly peel the transfer tape at an angle. Take your time. If any part of the decal does not stick to the surface, apply pressure to that area and try again. Afterwards, if we have any air bubbles, you can poke them with a needle and squeegee the air out. To remove your decal, carefully scrape up a corner with your fingernail and slowly peel away. Thanks for watching, and be sure to use the code YouTube10 for 10% off your next order at vinyldecals.com or wallens.com.